What's up guys, everyone, video here. Today we're gonna show you how to get Super Smash Brothers on your iOS devices without jailbreaking. First, you need to go to install an API file and install the cydia package. After that, you're gonna drag it, then you're gonna set an email. You need to get the developer apps. And its code is that level. This is practice. You must allow keychains to do that. Yeah! Come on! Yeah! I want to install more developer apps. You're gonna see these developer apps from official centers like cydia, Monmouth, now cydia contract. So, and I found like this file. The folder's name is over. To want to get the ringtone, you need to install the application and connect it. Double and save to desktop or any file. Then double tap your iTunes, then click tones, and after the tones sync, you see the MIDI tunes and font. And try this. And stay tuned.